The Tokyo Auto Salon 2024 is on the horizon, and as usual, it promises a show full of wild, jaw-dropping creations from some of the world's most daring tuning houses. One of the most talked-about projects this year is Liberty Walk's Widebody Lamborghini Miura, a radical reimagining of one of the most iconic and beautiful supercars ever built. But the big question is this Widebody Miura a bold, brilliant masterpiece, or has Liberty Walk gone too far with what some might consider sacrilege? For those who aren't familiar with Liberty Walk, they're a Japanese tuning company that has built a reputation for transforming high-end supercars into wide-body monsters. The shop's signature LB Silhouette Works body kits are known for their aggressive, in-your-face style that has taken classic Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and even the Nissan GT-R into extreme territory. Over the years, Liberty Walk has earned both praise and criticism for its modifications, with some purists viewing their work as an affront to automotive heritage. It all began with the controversial widebody Ferrari F40, which split opinions like never before. Liberty Walk followed that up with another Lamborghini project, the Lamborghini Countach widebody, which again set social media on fire. Now, Liberty Walk has turned its attention to the Lamborghini Miura, a car many consider to be the pinnacle of Italian automotive design. The Miura's sweeping curves, dramatic proportions, and mid-engine layout make it one of the most revered supercars of all time. But can it withstand Liberty Walk's notorious widebody treatment? The result of Liberty Walk's work on the Miura is something both stunning and controversial. The new body kit, called the LB Silhouette Works GT, takes the Miura's already striking design and makes it even more bold and aggressive. Almost every exterior panel of the Miura has been modified, and this transformation completely changes the car's character. The front end now features a dramatic splitter and aggressive canards that give the car an almost predatory look. The wide front fenders further enhance the car's already muscular stance, paired with deep-dish aftermarket wheels that visually push the car to the extremes. These changes give the Miura a wider, more aggressive look, but they also risk overshadowing the car's classic elegance, which is something Miura enthusiasts will debate fiercely. Moving to the sides of the car, Liberty Walk has added their signature aerodynamic side skirts, which continue the aggressive styling. The side mirrors are now tiny motorsport-inspired units, a design choice that makes a statement while potentially compromising the car's original charm. But it's in the rear where things get even more extreme. The Miura's rear clamshell has been completely reworked, now featuring flared arches and an over-the-top diffuser that gives the car a more modern, track-inspired look. No Liberty Walk creation would be complete without a massive rear wing, and the Miura is no exception. The towering wing, with uprights extending from the rear bumper, adds a whole new level of drama to the car's design. And while the widebody kit itself is dramatic enough, it's suggested that the car has also been lowered on an air suspension system, which further enhances its aggressive stance, although we'll need to see it live at the Tokyo Auto Salon to confirm that detail. Now, let's talk about the impact this build is likely to have on the car world. The Miura is a classic supercar, and modifying such a legendary car will always be a controversial subject. For some, the idea of taking a pristine Miura and turning it into a widebody street machine might seem like a betrayal of its heritage. After all, the Miura is widely regarded as a symbol of automotive beauty and purity. For others, Liberty Walk's daring transformation could be seen as a bold statement, a way to modernize a classic and push the boundaries of what's possible with design and engineering. Whether you view this widebody Miura as sacrilegious or brilliant, there's no denying Liberty Walk's ability to generate conversation. The Tokyo Auto Salon 2024 is sure to see its fair share of heated debates over this creation. Liberty Walk's cars always manage to grab attention, and this Miura is no exception. Whether it's for the purists or the modern car culture enthusiasts, one thing is certain: Liberty Walk knows how to keep the automotive world buzzing. In the end, it's up to you to decide whether this widebody Lamborghini Miura is a stunning piece of art or an over-the-top modification that steps too far from its roots. Either way, it's clear that Liberty Walk is pushing the limits of what we expect from the world of automotive tuning.